Hello friends, around 4 million people on the carnivore diet have achieved some unprecedented results regarding improvement in their overall health and cure of some dreadful chronic diseases, which seem to be out of scope for treatment through the conventional medical procedures. Be it type 2 diabetes, blood pressure, heart health, bone strength, muscle health, or the mental health. Carnivore followers have really pushed their way across these ailments towards a sustainable health and wellness profile. Now, what could be the main reason behind these exceptional health recoveries? Well, after an extensive study and research, we've figured out the key thing responsible for these remarkable transformations. And interestingly, it all converges to the choice of nutritious foods they opted for on this diet. So in this highly informative video, we are going to explore the top 5 carnivore foods, which prove to be the absolute game changers regarding overall health and chronic disease recovery. You may have heard about these foods before, but we are going to explain their usefulness in a totally unique scientific manner, like no one else has done here on YouTube. We'll cut deep into the nutritional profiles of these foods and how they can aid in the cure of chronic diseases and overall health improvement, all based on findings of highly credible research studies. Meanwhile, do press the subscribe button and become a proud member of the exclusive Shape Squad community, helping us spread the healing message further. Starting at number 5, we have eggs. These versatile powerhouses are a staple in many diets, and for good reason. They're not just a breakfast favorite, they're also a phenomenal source of complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. But that's not all. Eggs are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B vitamins, and selenium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting cell growth and supporting brain health. And let's not forget the yolk, which is a rich source of choline, a nutrient that vastly supports brain and liver health. Now the question arises, how do eggs aid in the cure of chronic diseases? Well, research has shown that the nutrients found in eggs can help manage and even prevent certain health conditions. For instance, the protein in eggs can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in egg yolks protect eye health and may substantially reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs also support heart health. Contrary to popular belief, studies have found no direct link between egg consumption and heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that eggs might actually improve heart health by increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol and changing the shape of bad LDL cholesterol. And let's not forget, eggs are incredibly convenient and versatile. Whether boiled, poached, scrambled, or made into an omelet, they're a quick and easy way to add high-quality protein and other important nutrients into your diet. That's why eggs have secured the 5th spot in our top 5 carnivore foods list. They're a nutritional powerhouse that plays a key role in overall health improvement and chronic disease recovery. Plus, their versatility makes them a perfect fit for the carnivore diet. So, how many eggs you consume each day? Do share your routine in the comments. And by the way, the next 2 foods on the list are my wife's favorite. At number 4, it's the fatty fish. Now, fatty fish is a well-loved staple for many, but few are aware of its immense nutritional benefits, especially those on the carnivore diet. The star of the show here is omega-3 fatty acids. These are fats that your body can't produce, but they're crucial for your health. They're found in abundance in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Omega-3 fatty acids are like the unsung heroes of our body. They fight inflammation, which is at the root of many chronic diseases. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, omega-3 fatty acids can vastly reduce inflammation and help lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. But that's not all. Omega-3s also play a crucial role in brain health. They're essential for neurological development and cell signaling. Research from the Journal of Neuroscience has shown that these fatty acids can improve cognition and may even protect against mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. And let's not forget the impact on heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been found to decrease triglycerides, lower blood pressure slightly, reduce blood clotting, decrease stroke and heart failure risk, and reduce irregular heartbeats. Eating at least 1 to 2 servings a week of fish, particularly fish that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, appears to reduce the risk of heart disease, particularly sudden cardiac death, according to the American Heart Association. And for the fitness enthusiasts out there, fatty fish is a great source of protein, helping to build and repair muscle tissue. Plus, it's high in vitamin D, an essential nutrient that most people don't get enough of. So whether you're looking to boost your brain health, keep your heart strong, or just maintain overall wellness, fatty fish serves as a powerful ally. Its omega-3 content and other nutritional benefits make it a must-have for anyone on the carnivore diet. The next food on the list is perhaps the most underestimated one, but it for sure is extremely healthy and nutritious. Taking the third spot, we have organ meat. Now, I know what you're thinking. Organ meats? Really? Yes, really. These underrated gems are bursting with health-boosting nutrients. Let's take a closer look at two of the most popular options in the carnivore diet, the liver and the heart. The liver, often referred to as nature's multivitamin, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin B12, iron, and copper, all crucial for maintaining optimal health. Vitamin A is known for its beneficial effects on vision, skin health, and immunity. Vitamin B12, on the other hand, plays a significant role in nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. Additionally, the iron found in liver is heme iron, the kind that is most easily absorbed by our bodies. This makes liver an excellent food choice for people suffering from iron deficiency anemia. Recent studies have even suggested that regular consumption of liver could highly improve energy levels and cognitive function. Now, let's shift our focus to the heart. This organ meat is a rich source of coenzyme Q10, a powerful antioxidant that can boost heart health and slow down the aging process. It's also packed with essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. These amino acids promote muscle growth, repair body tissues, and boost overall health. Furthermore, heart meat is a great source of zinc and selenium. These minerals strengthen the immune system and protect the body against oxidative stress. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that consuming organ meats like heart could significantly improve the nutritional status of individuals following a carnivore diet. In simple words, organ meats like liver and heart not only provide a wide variety of essential nutrients, but also have potential therapeutic effects on various chronic diseases. Have you ever tried any organ meat recipe? Do share your experience with us. And now, moving to the final two most healthy foods on the list. Any guesses? Coming in at number 2, we have chicken. This humble bird is a staple in diets around the globe, and for good reason. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, a vital nutrient our bodies need to build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and maintain muscle mass and bone health. Now let's talk about why lean protein is so important. Unlike other types of protein, lean protein is low in saturated fat. This makes it a healthier choice, especially for those who are conscious about their heart health. Consuming lean protein, like chicken, can help to keep your cholesterol levels in check, reducing the risk of heart disease. Chicken is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamin B3 and vitamin B6, both of which play a crucial role in our body's metabolism. Additionally, chicken is rich in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps to combat inflammation in the body. Recent studies have shown that chicken can be particularly beneficial for those following the carnivore diet. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed all of the health benefits of chicken we've just mentioned. This could be particularly beneficial for people suffering from chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure, where managing cholesterol levels is key. Furthermore, the lean protein in chicken can help to maintain and build muscle mass. This is essential for overall health, but particularly so for those suffering from conditions like osteoporosis, where maintaining bone health is crucial. So whether you're looking to build muscle, maintain a healthy heart, or manage a chronic condition, chicken can be a key player in your diet. It's versatile, easy to cook, and most importantly, it's packed with the lean protein your body needs to thrive. And coming up, we have the undisputed king of all the foods on the carnivore diet. And finally, at number 1, we have fatty beef. This might not come as a surprise to many, but the benefits of fatty beef are manifold. It's not just about the protein, which is of course vital for muscle health. Fatty beef is also rich in essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, playing a crucial role in overall health improvement. What sets fatty beef apart is its high concentration of monounsaturated fats, the same healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Plus, the saturated fats in beef have been shown to increase good cholesterol. Recent studies have suggested that fatty beef can aid in the cure of various chronic diseases. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that red meat could help combat iron deficiency anemia, a common chronic condition. So, do you agree to this claim? Fatty beef, the undeniable king of the carnivore diet, proudly stands at number 1. Do share your opinion, whether you agree or disagree to it. Well, friends, here we are with the top 5 game changers in the carnivore diet. Eggs, the versatile powerhouse; fatty fish, the best friend of omega-3; organ meats, the underestimated nutrition bomb; chicken, the lean protein source; and fatty beef, the king of the carnivore diet. These foods are not just meals, but tools for wellness, each playing a pivotal role in a health-centric lifestyle. Your experiences matter. Your opinion matters a lot to us. Share your experiences, your favorite recipes, or your success stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shape Squad for more informative and helpful videos like this. And if you want to know what the Harvard researchers think about the carnivore diet, do watch this video showing up on the screen right now.